Okay, we removed the old flagpole, took it down, just took it out of the sleeve and dug it up, put it over here, and made the hole. We were going to put a sleeve on it, but I don't think I'm going to put it on there. We're right around 20 inches deep. We're going to put the concrete in here, 80-pound concrete, and be good to go. All right, we got everything leveled off and concrete in. I'll fill it out tomorrow with the additional concrete up. We're gonna let this dry up for a day or two and firm up. We confirmed it with the pole that it is level, and we confirmed it here in 3 spots that it is level. All right, we finished the flagpole. Looks spectacular. Have my solar light on there. Looks really good. 30-footer, 3 inches at the base. Ended up using 2 80-pound bags of concrete. Topped it off. Put the plate on it, and I'm gonna fill that up with some dirt. Nice little mound there. And again, just a beautiful, beautiful flagpole. I like it so much. I plan on getting the 25-footer and putting on the other side of the house. Okay, we had to drop the flagpole again because the solar light came today, so we dropped it and just finished putting it up. Although I don't like it with the light on there because now I can't see the ball. But there she is, finished and done.